Hey guys, Josh here, and today I'm going to tell you how you can accelerate your future success by networking with the right people. First of all, what do I mean by networking? I mean putting yourself out there. Find people with similar ambitions and values to yourself. See if you can find a way to bring your strengths together so that you can all benefit from working together. But Josh, how do I do this? It's not like I can just find random people online and work with them. Well, of course not. But think smaller. Start with your friends or acquaintances. Start with people that maybe you've known for years, but you never got the chance to really dig below the surface level. I found from my experience that the more you can find people that align their values and their ambition to yours, the more you can expedite your future financial success. But what does all of this mean? Say you and your friends want to start with something simple, like investing in real estate with like a duplex maybe. Let's say that duplex, just for this scenario, costs $200,000. It's not unrealistic that one person can come up with the $40,000 down payment necessary to buy the property. But it's much more realistic that two individuals can come up with $20,000 each. Not to mention in much less time. For this example, let's just say that you have $20,000 readily available every 3 years. Now, keeping this in mind, you can start accruing equity in the property much sooner than if you were just saving up for that $40,000 yourself. Say your interest rate is 5% and it's on a standard mortgage of say 30 years. This means that your payments are $858.91 per month. But we'll come back to that. Let's fast forward 3 more years. Say you now have access to another $20,000 of investable capital. You and that friend can now both put another $20,000 into another property. Let's say it's another $200,000 duplex. But there's even more to consider here. You've also managed to build equity over these last 3 years. You and your friend have actually accelerated your equity position by $7,450.07. Now let's imagine that you're actually able to follow the golden rule of properties, that being that you're able to cash flow $100 per month per unit. That would mean over these last 3 years, you also gained a cash position of $7,200 between the two of you. In total, the two of you were up $14,650.07. And that's after only 3 years of owning that property. What's more, had you waited until you had the $40K by yourself, you would not be ahead at all, and you would essentially be down over $7,000 of where you could have been had you gotten in business with a friend. If you don't think this seems like much, try fast forwarding that same equation over 6 more years. At this point, you would have built equity over $23,000 per person, and the growth of your cash position would be up by over $21,000 per person. How crazy is that? In the other scenario, you would have only advanced your equity position by $7,450.07, and your cash position would have only grown by $7,200 in that 9-year total time frame. That's a difference of over $30,000 total. If you take anything away from this video, let it be that finding like-minded individuals can tremendously help increase your odds of financial growth and financial freedom. How do I know this? I've done the same thing in my own circle, and I personally have seen a lot of growth because of it. Not only do I dabble in real estate, and am I an owner in 2 different real estate companies, but I'm a partner at an insurance agency, and I recently became a franchise owner of a coffee shop that I'm bringing to my community. People need to see more real-life scenarios of how to grow and succeed, and honestly, I want to give that to them. Please let me know in the comments below if you want me to go into depth on any of the ventures that I'm involved in, or what some of my experiences have been while dabbling in real estate or getting involved in other businesses. I think providing quality content should be done for free for those willing to learn. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.